Sherry Brydson may not be a household name, but she is one of the most influential figures in Canadian business. As the richest woman in Canada, her wealth is deeply rooted in one of the country's most powerful dynasties, the Thomson family. Unlike many modern billionaires who seek the spotlight, Brydson has built and preserved her fortune with remarkable discretion and a sharp investment mind. Born in the 1950s, Sherry Brydson is the granddaughter of Roy Thomson, the media tycoon who created a global publishing empire. While she inherited part of this legacy, Brydson chose to carve her own path rather than simply follow in her family's footsteps. After studying at York University and working briefly as a journalist, she transitioned into the world of finance and private investment, on her own terms. Today, she holds a significant stake in the Woodbridge Company Limited, the private holding company that owns a controlling interest in Thomson Reuters. This company is not just a media brand, it's a global leader in legal, tax, and financial data, used by top institutions around the world. Brydson's share in Woodbridge makes her a key player in the information economy, even if she rarely appears in headlines. In addition to her stake in Woodbridge, she independently runs Westerkirk Capital, her private investment firm based in Toronto. Westerkirk owns assets in aviation, Healy, hospitality, Four Seasons Resort Whistler, and real estate, reflecting Brydson's preference for long-term, tangible investments. Her strategy is clear: low profile, high impact. What makes Sherry Brydson unique is her commitment to quiet influence. She avoids media attention, rarely gives interviews, and stays focused on long-term value creation. Her business philosophy mirrors the Thomson family tradition: cautious, disciplined, and built to last. In a world that often equates visibility with success, Brydson proves that true power can move in silence. Through her strategic holdings and understated leadership, Sherry Brydson has become a model of modern wealth stewardship. Her story is a reminder that influence doesn't always need a microphone, sometimes, it just needs vision and patience. Woven into Sherry Brydson's story is the quiet but commanding presence of the Woodbridge Company Limited, the private investment vehicle of the Thomson family. While it may not be widely known to the public, Woodbridge is the powerful engine behind one of the most influential companies in the world, Thomson Reuters. Headquartered in Toronto, Woodbridge serves as the primary holding company for the Thomson family's investments. Its most notable asset is its controlling stake in Thomson Reuters, a global leader in information services. The company provides data, analytics, and software solutions to professionals in law, finance, tax, and media, serving governments and major corporations in over 150 countries. What sets Woodbridge apart is its long-term vision and quiet control. Rather than seeking quarterly headlines, it focuses on building sustainable value over decades. Woodbridge is structured to maintain stability and control within the Thomson family, allowing the business to grow without interference from short-term market pressures. It exemplifies a form of modern capitalism rooted in stewardship, not speculation. For Sherry Brydson, who is believed to be Woodbridge's largest individual shareholder, the company reflects her values: discretion, foresight, and an unwavering commitment to intelligent investing. It's not just a holding company, it's the legacy of a family and the platform for one of the most enduring information businesses in the modern world. Together, Brydson and Woodbridge represent a rare model of wealth, patient, purpose-driven, and remarkably resilient in a fast-moving financial world. Sherry Brydson's business success isn't just the result of inheritance, it's the product of a distinctive and thoughtful philosophy that sets her apart in the world of high finance. Her approach to wealth and leadership reflects a blend of old-world discipline and modern strategic vision. It's a philosophy rooted not in headlines or personal branding, but in quiet resilience, intelligent stewardship, and long-term impact. At the heart of Brydson's management style is discretion. Unlike many billionaires who build their public identities through interviews, speeches, or social media, Brydson prefers to operate behind the scenes. This isn't just a personality trait, it's a conscious choice that allows her to focus on performance over publicity. In a world where visibility often competes with productivity, Brydson has opted to let the results of her investments speak for themselves. Another key pillar of her business philosophy is long-term value creation. Through both the Woodbridge Company and her private firm, Westerkirk Capital, Brydson chooses investments that are built to last. She doesn't chase trends or high-risk gains. Instead, she emphasizes fundamentals: reliable revenue, stable growth, and enduring relevance. Whether it's data-driven intelligence through Thomson Reuters or tangible assets like luxury real estate and aviation, her portfolio reflects a commitment to substance over spectacle. Stewardship is also central to how she manages wealth. In the Thomson tradition, wealth isn't seen as a trophy, it's a responsibility. Brydson has continued that legacy, ensuring that her investments are not only profitable but also responsibly managed. She surrounds herself with experienced professionals, delegates with trust, and values strategic patience. Her decision-making is guided by data, expertise, and a quiet confidence in long-term thinking. Despite her enormous influence, she maintains a low-ego approach. She rarely puts herself at the center of the story. There are no press releases with her name on them, no keynote speeches, no autobiographies. And yet, through her careful decisions and strategic vision, she shapes billion-dollar outcomes. This humility is not weakness, it's power exercised with precision. Perhaps the most defining aspect of Sherry Brydson's philosophy is her resilience through simplicity. Her strategies are not overly complicated or risky. She invests in what she understands, holds firm in the face of short-term noise, and builds quietly in the background. It's an approach that has allowed her to thrive in a volatile world, while staying true to herself and her values. In an age where success is often measured by how loudly one can announce it, Sherry Brydson is proof that real influence doesn't need to be loud, it needs to be lasting. Her business philosophy is a masterclass in understated strength, careful strategy, and elegant leadership. For those looking to understand the future of responsible wealth management, Brydson offers a rare and refreshing example.